falls caused by extraterrestrials.
And rain. Where does it come from? Right after this.
Kibble breath.
Furball.
Guys! Our TV signal just went dead.
What? That was some of our best stuff ever!
Pierre!
Take that, zombie brain suckers! 48 hours of this game must save Princess.
Pierre, you stopped pedaling! Our newscast is off the air!
Save Princess from zombies.
Pierre! Pierino! Polly got a brain! Pierre!
Zombie brain suckers.
Pierre!
Zombie!
Hello? What's going on up there? He's armed!
Technically, those are wings.
Run anyway!
Take that, brain suckers! Take that, flesh eaters! Go back to where you came from, zombies! Hey, zombies! Feast on this!
Oh, man. Pierre is acting weirder than usual.
And without his pedal power, our newscast is finito!
I'm sure you'll think of something. This game has really taken over Pierre's life.
In Zombie Brain Suckers, the game ends when you free the princess. If we get Pierre to think he's freed her, he'll stop playing.
And you think that'll work?
Probably not. Now, we need someone to play the princess.
Ooh, Gina can do it. She's a great actress.
Now, you two be zombies and guard the princess. Pierre will expect you to put up a fight.
Is it gonna hurt?
For this to work, yes. Hello! I'm a zombie and you can't get me.
Zombie?
I'm
The
a
princess's
zombie.
chamber! More brain suckers! Lock and load! Your Majesty! That toy's covered with ginger spit! And you guys need some rest! You look just awful!
Yes! It worked!
Yeah, Pierre is back to being his old, obnoxious self.
Ooh! Zombie Brain Suckers 2 just downloaded!
Oh, no, you don't.